guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm gonna be doing a wash and go on my natural hair. This is gonna be a quick wash and go, and I'm gonna be using the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I'm gonna be doing a review on this today. Stay tuned. My hair is fully washed and detangled. I've done a wash and I did like a deep conditioning, so my hair is freshly cleaned. So this is what it looks like. It comes with like a pump on top of it here, and it just looks like so. This is the back. So this is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. It has marshmallow and agave leaf extract. It claims to be a sweet defining jelly enriched with smoothing marshmallow and agave extract. This is 355 ml. Ingredients: Diana's water, pectin, coconut, saffron, aloe. It's got some castor, it's got some marshmallow, it's got some agave leaf like it says, and some things I can't really pronounce. So this retails for $16.99 here in the UK. I got it from Look Fantastic. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna jump right into the application. Literally just done a deep conditioning, and I've washed it out. So I'm gonna be doing it on very clean hair today. There's a bit of water on it, but I'll just sprinkle more water on it. Just a bit more, just to give it that extra, because it's really good to do a wash and go. It's good to do a wash and go on wet hair. But this is just acting up. I don't know if you got something like this. Does it act up? I got it from Amazon and it's just acting up. Sometimes it sprays. Yeah, it's spraying nicely now. So this hair is soaked and drenched with water. I'm gonna apply Camille Rose. I'm gonna open it. It looks jelly-like. So this is what it looks like, jelly-like consistency. It's got very nice scent to it. Nothing dramatic, nothing extra, but it's really nice. I like it. It smells really healthy. So I'm gonna splash it in here and just roll my fingers through. So that's a good amount. My hair is already tangled, like I said. Ooh, I like the feel of it. I don't want to put in too much because I put in quite a bit here. I'm just gonna sprinkle some more water on it. Feels really nice. I like the feel. It's got a very nice slick to it. It looks really nice. I like the definition. I like the curls. It's beautiful, guys. This is the curl definition. I'm gonna use my diamond brush, guys. So this is my diamond brush. Run it through to see how it looks with the diamond brush. Ooh, look at them curls with the diamond brush. The diamond brush tends to clump it together. Ooh, really nice. I like the curls. Something about the diamond brush I've noticed. I don't know if you guys have, if you've got the diamond brush. If you use it on the curls, it tends to shrink it up. It gives the very beautiful curls, but it just shrinks it up a bit. So I'm not going to use the diamond brush. I'm just going to use my fingers. Spraying some water in. And I'm just using my fingers to just rake it through. So this is this one done. I really like it so far. I'm just going to do the rest just like so. It looks really nice. Look at the curls. Really defined and nice. I just like it. I like the slick it gives to the hair as well. It gives a very nice slick to the hair. Ooh, that looks nice. I just love the way it feels. It feels really soft. The hair feels moisturized. You know what I mean? It's not crunchy. It doesn't feel like something that will be crunchy. Let's wait and see, guys. But I just like the way it's given to the feel is given to my hair. It's looking really moisturized, looking nice. I like it. Okay, so this is the side done. I'm gonna start on this side as well. Wow. I so like the sleek. It's just giving a very nice sleek to my hair that I like. Wow, I just love the feel. It feels so moisturized. Ooh, I just love this, guys. So far so good. I've got no complaints. Let's wait till it dries. So this is the wash and get complete. Right, so this is the front. The curls are fairly defined, beautiful curls. So nice. It looks defined. It's really, and I love the scent. Nothing overpowering. This is the side. And it smells divine, fresh. You know, it says it's got marshmallow in it, so hey, marshmallow and agave leaf extra. Let's see how it dries, if it's gonna shrink too much. But so far so good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You know, it's quite expensive. It's £16.99, so that's why I didn't buy it. But I just said, you know what, let's try it. But it looks really nice. I like the feel. My hair doesn't look like something that will be crunchy or dry. But let's see what it says. Beautiful, divine, soft curls. Yes, it's soft. It's not, you know what I mean? Let's wait and see. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna come back. Hi guys, so I'm back. My hair is like 80% dry. This is what it's looking like. The shrinkage is there, but you know, not that bad. So the curl maker is really nice. I like the definition. I like the shine. I like the way my hair feels really moisturized. So I really can't complain. I really like this product. It's not flaky. The hold is nice. It's not too light. It's enough. It's just enough. I love that. I love the feel. It feels, my hair feels, it's got like, it feels moisturized. Does that make sense? So there's a hold, so there's a bit of crunch there, but not hard. But the hair feels moisturized. Like, it's $16.99, so a bit pricey, but it is nice. I like the feel. I would buy it again. Obviously, I'm gonna use this very well. This is my new favorite gel because I just love the way it feels. It's just nice, and I love the shine. There's no flick on the side. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below. What is your favorite gel for wash and go? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And also, what do you think of the curl maker? Do you have it? What do you use it for? Do you use it for wash and go? Let me know down below. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.